Hi, it's Jonathan. I've been playing with Vectorworks 2026 lately, and one of the major changes is with the interface when you edit a viewport. So let's right click, let's edit the design layer. We're going to go in and have a look at this object. So let's just zoom in. Now I've got some information here, and you start looking at it, you go, oh, there's a data tag, it's on the wrong class, I need to change those. And so you might find a class for that. Let's go data tag. It's actually part of the room finishes. Well, we got room finish tags, so I'm going to assign those to the room finish tags. But maybe I need to turn that class on for something, I don't know. But these are my room spaces, so I need to turn that class off. Space main, let's turn that off. We need to turn that off. So I can see those spaces have now gone. Now if I tick this option here, when I go back to my sheet layer, this viewport will now have that class turned off, which I think is really cool. So let's return. And there it is there. You can see that class is turned off, and I've turned off my labels as well. So I love this ability to go back, fix the things in my design layer, and then apply those class changes to my viewport. It is such a time saver. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps people to find these movies. Hey, if you don't know, I've started a new community on school.com. It's the Vectorworks training community. I've got a lot of people that are really contributing to learning there. You'll get all of my courses, plus you'll get all of my live sessions for the last 5 years. It's all there, plus we have live sessions every week. Hey, join me on the community. See you there.